Today we are going to make cornbread, guys. So for the cornbread, we need a cornbread mix, and this is all natural baking mix. We got this from Costco. Okay, you can get this from any other store, but we got this from Costco. And then it says that we need an egg. So this right here is a flour, the cornbread flour. It's already mixed, so it has sugar inside, but it says that everything is natural. So this right here is all natural, and it's one bag. Okay, so we need an egg, we need half cup of oil, we have half cup of vegetable oil, and then we have half cup of milk. Okay, and here is for the baking part, and here is a mixing bowl. So we are going to start by breaking the egg. Who wants to break the egg?
Me!
Okay, so let the boy break the egg, then you are going to mix. Okay, break it and put it in here. Okay, so the boy is already mixing the egg. Good job, guy. Mix it quickly. Okay, while he's mixing that, girl, can you add in the oil?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, add everything. Okay, boy, mix it. Good job. Mix. I am not helping him, he's mixing it by himself. Good job. Mix it, boy. Mix it. Good job. Girl, can you add in the milk now?
Yeah.
Good job, guys. Great teamwork. Good job. So guys, as I told you before, this is already mixed. So yeah, so everything is already in here. You have in the sugar, you have the corn, you have the flour, and you have the baking powder. Okay, now you are going to add this to the mixture. You're going to add this to the milk, to the oil, and to the egg. Okay, so now I'm adding the flour. Mix it, boy. Mix. Good job. Continue to mix more. Good job. You need help? Don't need my help? Okay, hold on, girl. You're going to mix. Okay, let him mix first. Mix. Let me add more. Mix. Good job,
Rich. Keep mixing. I know you can do it. You're my brother.
good job.
Go, Rich.
Good job. Good job,
We love
baby.
you. We love you.
We love you, baby.
Go, Rich.
Okay, good job. Okay, let's add the rest now, and the girl is going to mix. Let's add everything, and the girl is going to mix it. Hold on, baby. Okay, girl, continue to mix it.
Good day.
You need help?
No, I got it.
Okay, we are going to add a little bit of water. Okay, continue to mix. Okay, so we added half cup of water because it was too thick. Now it's good. She's mixing that. Good job, girl. Good job. Keep mixing. Mix. So guys, we changed the pan. Now we are going to use this right here. Okay, so instead of doing the cupcakes, we change, and we are going to use this because this right here is specifically for the cornbread. Okay, now pour everything inside. pour everything. Hold it. Okay, pour. Good job. Good job. Okay, you're going to pour everything inside.
It's spreading, Mom.
Yeah, it's spreading. Friends, so it's ready. I just turned the oven on 350 degrees because it has to be hot before we put in the cornbread. Okay guys, so it's ready to go in the oven, and as soon as it's ready, I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, I'll leave this in the oven for like 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. So while the cake is in the oven, we have a quick announcement. This right here is our giveaway gift. So one of you guys is going to win this amazing toy. I don't know if you remember, but we made a video on this Vatos train. So just go on our Instagram page at Bouncing Toddlers TV and you will see all the rules over there. And so the winner will be announced on the 15th of April, on April the 15th. And also I will leave a link in the description box below in case you want to purchase this train right here. Okay, and this giveaway is only within the 50 states of the US. So sorry for our international followers or subscribers, it's just within the 50 states. So if you're a parent or if you know any baby or any child that would love to get this gift, please go on our Instagram page and enter the giveaway. We will link our Instagram page down below in case you want to go in there to enter in the contest, enter in the giveaway. Okay, as you can see guys, this gift is still in the box, brand new and never used. It's just waiting for the winner. As soon as we have a winner, I'm going to ship this out as soon as we have it. So we are making this giveaway to celebrate our 1,000 Instagram followers. Thank you so much, 1,000 Instagram followers, and also to our YouTube subscribers. You are amazing. You have been amazing and supportive so far. Thank you so much. We are doing this to celebrate your friendship, to celebrate your support, to celebrate your love. So next time, by the grace of God, we are going to make a big giveaway, and it might be international.
So the cake is ready. Yay!
Okay guys, so the cake is ready. It was in the oven just for 15 minutes and it's ready. So let's cut it, and they're going to try and tell us if the cake is good or no good, right?
Yeah, right.
Good or no good? They're going to try. It looks yummy.
Yeah, it looks delicious in my tummy.
Yay!
Yay!
So tell us if it's good or no good.
And guys, guess what? It's homemade cornbread.
Yeah, that's right. Homemade cornbread. You're so right. Did you pray for the food? Pray for the food first.
Father, in the mighty name of Jesus,
Amen.
I pray for this food. I will eat this with thanksgiving.
Amen. Pray, Heavenly Father, we thank you for this meal. We bless this meal in Jesus' mighty name.
Amen.
We sanctify this meal with the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
And we eat this meal with thanksgiving. In Jesus' mighty name we prayed. Amen. Enjoy your food, guys. Is it good? Good or not good?
Good.
Okay, thumbs up if it's good.
Good.
Can you put your fingers here so that we can see? Thumbs up if it's good.
Good.
Good job.
Thank you for watching, guys. We hope you enjoy our channels. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Bye.
And bye-bye. See you next time. Have a blessed day. May God bless you. Mwah.
Amen. Mwah, we love you.